continuing with the SAT practice test number 8. Right now we're on question 16, which is in the griddable section. So for this one, if A is the solution of the equation above and A is greater than 0, what is the value of A? So I need to factor this before I have solutions. So factors of negative 12, I'm going to have 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. This is negative, so that means they're different signs. This is positive, so that means the bigger one's positive. So these are going to be my factors. I have x plus 4 and x minus 3. That's going to give me my positive 1. Now, these are the factors, but they don't want the factors. They want the solutions. So my solutions, I need this to be 0. So when x is negative 4 and 4 gives me 0. We're multiplying, so 0 times anything makes the whole thing 0, which is what they want. That's what the solutions are. So my solutions, I'm just going to flip the signs on these. My solutions are negative 4 and positive 3. Now, they said that A is greater than 0. So my actual answer is the 3. Moving on to 19. The startup company opened with 8 employees. The company's growth plan assumes that 2 new employees will be hired each quarter, every 3 months, for the first 5 years. If an equation is written in the form y equals ax plus b to represent the number of employees y employed by the company x quarters after the company opened, what is the value of b? So they start with 8. That's our starting amount. And they add 2 new ones. So that is my rate of change, or slope. And your rate of change, or your slope, is the one attached to x. So the value of b is just going to be your 8. B is your y-intercept, and in a word problem, it's your starting. The sum of negative 2x squared plus x plus 31 and 3x squared plus 7x minus 8 can be written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constant. What is the value of a plus b plus c? This is kind of convoluted, but it's really not that hard. Sum means we're adding, so they want us to add this and this. So when we add them, we want to line up the x squareds, the x's, and the numbers, and then just add them. So negative 2x squared plus x plus 31, 3x squared plus 7x minus 8. So when I add them, I have 1x squared, I have 8x, and then here I have 23. Now, you have to be careful. It feels like we've done stuff, but that's not actually what they want. They want us to add up these numbers. So I'm going to add the 1, the 8, and the 23. So my real answer is just 32. For this next one, negative x plus y equals negative 3.5, x plus 3y equals 9.5. If xy satisfies the system of equations above, what is the value of y? So you got to be careful, they only want the y part here. And you've got x and negative x, so these are actually already set up for you to do elimination. When you have 2 equations like this, you can do elimination or substitution. Elimination is going to be easier for this one. So I'm going to add this whole equation to this whole equation. My x's cancel out. I get 4y equals 6. I divide by 4, divide by 4. So 3 halves, or 1.5. Alright, for number 20, they say the figure is not drawn to scale in the circle above. Point A is the center. and the length of arc BC is 2/5 of the circumference of the circle. What is the value of x? The circle has 360 degrees total, and they said the BC is 2/5. So this part here is 2/5. And they want to know what x is. So basically I need to multiply 2/5 and 360. Now when you multiply a fraction, I'm just going to multiply 2 times the 360 and then keep the bottom. So I'll end up with 720 over 5. 5 goes into 7 once. We're subtracting. We've got 2. Bring that down. It goes 4 times. We've got 2. Bring that down. 144. And for units it would be degrees, but this is a griddable, so. Alright, we'll pick up with the calculator section after this.